Would you want to be the reason why you may suffer cancer in the future? I guess your answer is no. But do you know that about 1 in 5 people develop cancer in their lifetime? And approximately 1 in 9 men and 1 in 12 women die from cancer. And according to the World Health Organization, in 2022, there were about 20 million new cases and 9.7 million deaths. I guess you don't know that. So please pay attention to the foods I will mention in this video and prevent the future regret of having cancer.
This is Nutri Television, your professional source to everything nutrition.
The best thing you can do for yourself is to prevent cancer as much as you can. And one of the main ways to do that is to be intentional about what you eat so you don't consume what may trigger it. Please, a minute silence for every soul lost to cancer on earth. Thank you. You see, cancer is a complex disease which is characterized by uncontrolled growth of abnormal cells in the body. The type of food you eat plays a crucial role in preventing cancer. Research shows that certain foods can cause cancer, and today we will explore them so that you can avoid them. So the first on the list of foods that causes cancer are processed meats. Eating processed meats such as bacon, sausages, hot dogs, and deer meats are now common in our society. But most people don't understand that these foods have been classified as Group 1 carcinogens by the World Health Organization, which implies that there is sufficient evidence to conclude that they cause cancer, particularly colorectal cancer, that is cancer of the colon. This is because processed meats contain nitrites and nitrates used as preservatives, and when they are cooked in high temperatures, these chemicals can convert into another compound known as nitrosamines, which can cause cancer. Also, grilling or smoking these meats can lead to formation of polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons and heterocyclic amines, both of which are known to increase the risk of cancer. So please avoid processed meats. The second on the list is red meat. Yes, I know you are panicking already that how can red meat cause cancer? Calm down. I'm going to explain to you. Although red meat is a valuable source of nutrients like protein and iron, excessive consumption of red meat can be harmful. Listen to me, I said excessive consumption of red meat can be harmful. Yes, red meats like beef, pork, lamb, and goat has been linked to an increased risk of several types of cancer, such as colon cancer, pancreatic cancer, and prostate cancer. Red meat contains high amount of heme iron, which can promote the formation of nitrosamines in the gut, and nitrosamines causes cancer. Also, cooking red meat at high temperatures such as grilling or barbecuing produces polycyclic and heterocyclic compounds that further increases the risk of cancer. Now you understand, excessive consumption of red meat can cause cancer. The third on the list of common foods that can cause cancer are sugary drinks. Drinks such as soda, energy drinks, and sweetened teas are popular and consumed so much. But these drinks can cause significant health issues. High consumption of sugary drinks is linked to obesity, type 2 diabetes, and various types of cancer, including breast cancer, colon cancer, and pancreatic cancers. Sugary drinks can lead to obesity, which is a major risk factor to cancer, and excessive sugar intake can lead to insulin resistance, chronic inflammation, and increased levels of insulin-like growth factors, all of which are associated with cancer development. Also, many sugary drinks contain high amount of fructose, which can promote fat accumulation in the liver and metabolic disturbances, which increases the risk of liver cancer. So please moderate your intake if possible. Cut down to a very great extent your intake of sugary drinks. Avoid them. The fourth on the list of common foods that can cause cancer is alcohol. Alcohol can cause cancer. It has been established that alcohol can cause various cancers, including mouth cancer, throat cancer, esophagus cancer, liver cancer, breast cancer, and even colon cancer. Bear in mind there is no safe level of alcohol consumption. Even moderate drinking can increase the risk of cancer. When you drink alcohol, it is metabolized into acetaldehyde, a toxic chemical that can damage your DNA and proteins, leading to cancer. Drinking alcohol can impair your body's ability to absorb essential nutrients like folate, which plays a role in the DNA synthesis and repair, and this can affect your reproductive health. So please mind how you take alcohol because there is no safe level to alcohol consumption. Please, before we continue, kindly take a minute to click the subscribe button and like this video so that YouTube can show it to more people who need to take good care of their health. I'm waiting. Have you done it? Okay, thank you very much. Let's continue. The next on the list are refined carbohydrates. Refined carbohydrates such as white bread, pastries, and other processed foods are prevalent in what you may call modern diets, but these foods are associated with an increased risk of several cancers, including colon and breast cancer. These refined carbohydrates can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar and insulin levels, and high insulin levels can promote the growth of cancer cells and increase cancer development. Also, refined carbohydrate lacks fiber, which is crucial in maintaining a healthy gut microbiome and reducing cancer risk. The sixth on the list are fried foods. Fried foods such as French fries, fried chicken, donuts, and a whole lot of others are now popular comfort foods, but they carry significant health risk. Fried foods have been linked to increase the risk of several cancers like prostate and breast cancer. This is because frying foods at high temperature can produce a compound known as acrylamide, which is classified as group 2 carcinogen by the International Agency for Research on Cancer. This implies that there is strong evidence to show that fried foods can cause cancer in humans, but at present, it is not conclusive. So, would you want the experiment to be conclusive on you? No, I bet you don't want that. Also, fried foods are often high in unhealthy fats, which promotes inflammation and oxidative stress that contributes to cancer development. The seventh on the list are artificial sweeteners. Artificial sweeteners such as aspartame, saccharin, sucralose are widely used as sugar substitutes in diet sodas, sugar-free snacks, and other low-calorie products. Their safety has been a subject of debate, and some studies suggest that their potential link to cancer is high. So it is best you don't risk it. Also, certain artificial sweeteners can break down into compounds that may cause cancer in the body. For example, aspartame breaks down into methanol, which can be converted to formaldehyde, and formaldehyde causes cancer. The eighth on the list of common foods that can cause cancer are highly processed foods. We live in an era where a lot of people want almost everything to be convenient, and that includes even the foods they eat. But the issue is that most of the convenient foods like packaged snacks, ready-to-eat meals, and sugary cereals are highly processed and unhealthy. These foods are associated with an increased risk of several cancers, such as colon and breast cancer, because they often contain high levels of unhealthy fat and sugars, plus additives. And all this contributes to obesity, insulin resistance, and chronic inflammation, which are risk factors for cancers. Also, these foods can contain chemical contaminants from their packaging and processing methods, which may cause cancer. So please pay attention to what you eat. Avoiding and reducing excessive intake of some of the foods I've mentioned in this video can prevent and reduce your risk of developing cancer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more professional tips and advice. And click on the screen to watch more videos. Thank you.
This is Nutri Television, your professional source to everything nutrition.